Hello my beautiful people. As you could see the title, what I'll be making today, simple and easy pasta salad. So I have some water on the stove and I cook my pasta to my desired. Okay, then you're going to drain your pasta off. I have all my vegetables here, all colorful peppers, which I rinse. I am also going to add in carrot, purple onion to give it some color. I'm also going to use pickle, sweet pickle or any pickle of your choice. I'm going to add 2 boiled eggs, and you just want to dice up your vegetables. And this is simple and easy recipe in my kitchen, and this is Rose way. And I would like to thank all of my old subscribers and also my new subscribers, and I would like to thank all who joined my channel membership. Thank you very much, really appreciate. Okay, so you want to slice your egg, and I'm going to put it aside to add in the salad at the end. So now we're going to make the dressing. So you need your mayonnaise, sour cream, Dijon mustard. If you don't have any, you use yellow mustard. I also going to add in salt and black pepper, sugar, white vinegar or cider vinegar, and also add in some pickle juice. I add in some garlic powder, some crushed pepper, some dry parsley. If you have the fresh parsley, then that's fine. So I add in now my vegetables and my dressing. And you just want to combine it together. And you just season to your liking, all right? And just toss it and let it combine together. Now I'm going to add in the egg. And just mix it, guys, until all combine. And enjoy your simple and easy pasta salad. I will put the ingredients in the description box below. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a blessed day. One love. God bless. Bye.